Cobra was a decent little mower, sort of medium size. I started getting some issues with that and started spending a bit of money on repairs, so we retired that. That Mountfield, I think a customer gave us that. That Rover, pretty good mower in the wet, wasn't it, Mike?
Yeah, it was, yeah.
It's got like 4 individual blades on it, swinging blades. We got a lot of work out of that many years ago, but then it started to cost money.
Yeah, the drawers kept going, didn't they?
Yeah. These lawn flights, they've been our favourite mower, haven't they? All round mower. Always get stripes on the lawns. Even get stripes on our commercial jobs. I just want to share a little bit of the way I look at buying mowers. For me and the way I run my business, I find the best thing to do is expect one mower to last 2 seasons. Usually with these mowers you get 2 years warranty. I find most of the time you never need the warranty because they're good for 2 years. Now if I get a 3rd season out of one, to me that's a bonus. Okay, now generally the lawn flights and that, I never take them for repairs. If I can't repair them myself, you know, they get used as spares, and that's usually after the 2 years. It really is false economy if you try and make a mower last 10 years, which I did with my first one, my first lawn flight. I think I got about 8 seasons out of it, but I must have spent a fair amount of money on repairs. So once your business has got to a certain level and you got a certain amount of revenue coming in, you want to be looking at owning at least 2 mowers. So one breaks down, you got one to fall back on, because if you've only got one and you take it to be repaired, you could be losing a lot of money from not being able to go to work. And while you're not working, the grass is getting longer. So when you get back on them jobs, you're probably going to be doing 50% more work for the same money. So that's really false economy as well. So, you know, all this really depends on where you are at your business and how hard you work your machines. But this is what I do. A new mower every year. Yeah, 2 years per mower. Don't spend any money on repairs, because the money you save is going to go towards your next new mower. Okay, Mike, did I miss anything out?
No, I don't think so.
Got another thing. Have you found it's good though to just buy a new mower every year?
Oh yeah, yeah. It's, I mean, we don't exactly, when you buy it, we don't use it straight away anyway, do we? So
no, sometimes we're still using the older mowers, but we have one ready to fall back on.
Yeah, definitely.
So it's not easy financially if you're just sort of coming into this business, but even from day one, you need 2 mowers.
Yeah, yeah, definitely.
I think if you're doing just residential, you need 2 sizes, but we do a lot less residential these days.
Yeah.
I mean, the residential ones we do are quite big.
Yeah, they are quite big. So.
But sometimes you do need a smaller mower just to get down some of the side passages and that, which we do have, don't we?
Yeah, we've got 2 small Hondas, haven't we?
Yeah, but we only use it on one job, don't we, I think? Yeah, yeah. So guys, yeah, I hope that helps some of you guys out there who are new in your business or thinking of starting a business. And if you like the video, give us a like. And what else, Mike? Subscribe if
leave a message if you want to.
Yeah, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this.
Yep, definitely.
And right, let's crack on.
Yeah.